Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by finding the specific link to change. You should open the file, web page, or editor where it lives. Once located, confirm the link type: HTML tag, Markdown, CMS visual block, or desktop shortcut, because the steps differ. Make sure you also have the exact new display text and check the target URL or resource to avoid breaking navigation. Double-check spelling and protocol, HTTP versus HTTPS. Now that prerequisites are set, move to editing mode and prepare to modify the visible text. Now you edit the display name itself. If you're in HTML, place your cursor between the anchor tags and replace the inner text. That directly changes what users see. If you work in Markdown, change the bracketed text only and keep the parentheses intact. In a CMS or visual editor, select the link node or highlighted text and type the new label in the inline edit or properties panel. As you do this, make sure you never alter the destination URL unless you intend to change where the link goes. Finish by saving or publishing your edits, and then reload the page to ensure cached content doesn't hide the update. Once reloaded, click the renamed link to confirm it opens the intended destination. Test in another browser or private window if necessary. If the link fails, inspect for common errors: accidental spaces inside tags, missing quotes in HTML attributes, or an incorrect URL scheme. If problems persist, revert changes. Compare the prior version, and repeat the edit carefully to avoid typos or malformed markup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.